Right there, driver. Come on down. Keep coming. Slowly come down. Go to the passenger. Right there, stop. Come forward. You're going to slide. You're going to drop right about now. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay. Stay hard, driver. Stop right there. Okay, a little bit further. Okay, stop right there. Go passenger. Okay, right there. Come on down. Slowly, 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 slowly. You're going to drop on your ass. Okay, now you're down. Beautiful. Good job. So I want your driver's side
yeah, I got 360s.
to follow me up this hill.
Keep going. You got a couple more. Stop. All right, now try to go hard left and come across this.
Keep going. Right there. Okay, go little passenger. Right there. Come on up. Come on up. Okay.
I'm worried about this.
Keep coming.
Straight.
Come a little driver. Right there. Hold that line.
Now straighten up a little bit.
Come on.
Easy, easy, stop. I think you're going to drop this wheel.
Come on.
Let's wait for car.
Come on.
All right. Want to back up?
Come on.
Or hold it?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Beautiful. Okay. Hold that line. Don't stop.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
I think what we want to do is get you more.
Come on. Wiggle back and forth. Okay.
Drop your wheel.
Back up a little bit.
Hard driver and back up. Stop. Right now, hard
Turn.
Hard passenger where?
hard passenger.
Stay driver. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. His ass end not hitting. Okay. Back up. Back up.
Stop right there and let him figure out how to do it.
Stop
All
right
right.
there. Turn passenger. Turn towards me. Right there.
I could probably get in there, but
Go ahead.
Well, I feel like
on this side.
Go ahead.
like here,
That's kind of what I was thinking.
like right here. So what you can do is come first driver,
Go ahead.
come with me.
Yeah, you can go straight.
Right now. Stop. Back up to the path. I think I just had you more down the ditch.
All right.
Right, stop. Right, kind of gonna drive forward and turn and drive
As I go. All right.
if you can. All right, now you need to back up and go passenger. All right, stop. Come a little bit, driver. Stop. Straight your wheels. Line. Stop right there. okay to drive straight ahead. Don't turn, don't wait. Drive straight ahead.
Alright.
The biggest challenge is going to be how the spare tire hits. A little bit passenger. Oh, driver, sorry. Nice, whoa, easy. That's good shit. Driver.
Alright.
Don't be punching.
I lost my plate.
Yeah. All right, driver, or passenger, sorry, passenger. Right there, easy. Now you got it. You're down. Just ease out.
That hurt.
Yeah, I saw that thing go.
And a brake line?
Let's go.
That's okay though, you can get home, right?
I got it.
4, thank you.
You got a tow rope?
Keep coming back, keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. That'll work. A little bit more?
So what do we want to...
Hold up 1 second. Hold up. Okay, slowly pull forward. Alright, so slowly go. Go ahead. Come passenger to me. Okay, right there. Go ahead, go. Okay, alright, slow. Come on up. Go ahead, keep going. Keep going. Okay, good, she's up. Right there. Stay driver. Keep going driver, keep going driver. Okay. Towards me. Okay. You're gonna climb a rock on your rear. Keep going. Okay. You're gonna come off that rock. Beautiful. Right there, you're gonna hold that line. Come on up. Come on up. Let me move 1 second. Go a little driver. Right there. Okay, come on. Slow. Come on. You might scrape a little bit in the front, but come on. Okay, beautiful. Come on up. Come on up. Okay. Come, passenger, passenger, passenger. Okay, come on. Come on. Hold up right there 1 second. Let me get people out of your way.
Yeah, honey, just hold it right there with your belly in the air.
Yeah, why don't you come take a picture of me?
I got you.
Holy shit, it looks nothing like what it actually is.
I bet.
Yeah. Oh no, it looks nothing like
Seriously?
You got degrees in that thing?
What's that? I am at 23 degrees.
Alright, now I want you to slowly come up. Come on, slow. Hold that line. Come on, slow. Come on. You're going to climb. You're almost to the top. Okay, your back's going to catch. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, passenger. Right there. Stop. Come on up. Come on. Come on. You're going to drive in your front. There you go. Alright, slowly, slowly, slowly. You're going to come down in the back. Beautiful.
Okay.
Right on.
Just a heads up, we've only got about 45 minutes left on these trails.
10-4, I appreciate it. I got a crew of people behind me as well, so. Come on, Daddy. Stay, driver. Come on. Come on, driver. Wait, scrape. Knockers.
I think they're going to try with the mop man.
Alright, we're coming. We got like 4 Jeeps behind. They all that want to follow, so.